Hi guys, so the first video got copyrighted, so I took it down.
Hi, my name is Bimpe Akinayo, a Nigerian YouTuber based in the United States. If today is your first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. You are at the right place. Kindly click fit to subscribe. Take a minute to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and turn on the post notification sign beside the subscribe button. And don't forget to leave your comment. Yes, come along and cook with me and enjoy the rest of the video. But most importantly, don't forget to watch the full video. Right now, I'm trying to get my watch hour, so please watch the full video. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I remain your girl, Bimpe Akinayo. I'll see you next in my video. Please enjoy.
In here I have my momo shaki and oxtail boiling with my onions, maggi, salt, thyme and curry powder. When blending the peppers, make sure it is not all the way blended like smooth. In Yoruba, a máa ní pé ẹ má ro ata yẹn kó kúnná. Yeah, whenever I'm in the kitchen cooking like this, I always like to clean as I go. So right here I have my okra, cut okra right here, and just make sure you wash your okra before you blend. your okra. Make sure when you're blending your okra it is not smooth, so you just want to crush it, not blend it all the way smoothly, so you can have this have like that consistency and also have some little bit of chunks in it, just like that. So right here I was already tired. I was tired really even before started shooting the video, so I was just helping myself with a glass of wine while I wait for the meat to boil, because that pomo wasn't getting soft and I needed to get soft at least to some extent before I start cooking the okra soup proper. So okay, let me enjoy my wine now. So right here I am putting my palm oil in my pot, and I have my stove in a low heat. It's advisable to put your stove in a low heat when doing this process. So when your cooking oil is hot enough, you add your blended peppers, which are bell pepper, onions, and habanero or Rodo together. So right here I'm adding my stock from the meat in the pepper. So right in the process of making my okra, I decided to make my daughter sweet potatoes. So I already have it peeled and washed. The sweet potato is boiling on the other side, and I have my smoked fish thoroughly washed and the bones are taken out before putting it in the okra sauce that is on the stove. So right here I didn't finish using the fish because I wanted to use some of it in my daughter's sweet potato. So right here I am just putting my boiled meat in the cooking pot right there, and I will also be adding my boiled and fried turkey, which is sitting pretty on the freezer. Right here I was just adding my maggi and salt. At this stage you can add your blended okra and stir. So depending on you, on how you want your consistency, you can add some water in it to adjust your level of consistency. So right here I just checked out my sweet potato and it is still boiling. We needed to let it boil and soft all the way. So right here it's time to add my uziza leaves in my okra. I don't know if I said that right. Uzazi, oh man. Well, I am adding my choice of vegetable in the okra. At this stage, if you are still with me, that means you are a OG and you are enjoying this video. Kindly give the video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. And if you haven't still subscribed up to this moment, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.